everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a collection to share with you guys. Right now I am obsessed with two things. Everything Bo Bunny, mostly Bo Bunny, and Maggie Holmes. As you saw in my last haul video, I had picked up Maggie Holmes paper. But I wanted to share this. It's actually a Mother's Day gift. My husband had surprised me and ordered something that was sitting in the Amazon cart. It was just something that I was looking at and I decided to put it in my cart. But for Mother's Day, he decided to go ahead and purchase it for me, and I didn't know. So anyway, I don't know if you guys have seen this collection, but it's called Summer Mood by Bo Bunny, and he got me this paper pad, and he also got me this cute layered chipboard. I absolutely love it. It's summer themed. I love the colors, you guys. It's just so bright and cheery, and as you can see here, and I brought this box out because I realized it totally matches this box that I had gotten from Dollar Tree. It has yellows and blues and pinks. So if you like those colors, this collection is just so fun. And let me just share with you guys the paper, and then I'll go ahead and share with, well, first let me share with you guys what my husband bought. So the layered chipboard, and this one, yeah, it's just called the layered chipboard. And they're just so pretty. They're glittery, and they have some rhinestones. But I'm just loving Bo Bunny right now. So there's that. And then the paper pad. I just got the 6x6, and I'll do like a really quick flip through on that. But let me just share with you guys. So I ended up getting on Etsy because it was a pretty good price, and I just actually received it yesterday, and it got a little bent. The person packaged it well, but I don't know why my post office stuck it in my mailbox, so it got bent, and the seller even put fragile on it, but they just stuck it in there. Okay, but anyway, look how pretty. I mean, isn't it just pretty? These are the stickers that you can peel off, and you have the popsicles, and I just absolutely love the popsicles. Look at the little kiwi pieces in there. It's just so fun. And then there's the globe, typewriters, lemons, and this is, I love the lemon yellow. And just that, and the pink and the blues, it just goes so well together. And look at all these little pieces of words that you can use. Can't wait to do something with this collection. So those are the stickers. And then I went ahead and picked up the ephemera because I did find it on Etsy. And if I don't forget, I will put the seller's name on my description box. But let me just share with you guys the pieces here. Just such pretty. Okay, so you have this huge piece, which I never really know what to do with this piece, but you could always cut it too. For layering, you have these pinwheels that totally need to be glittered up, but none of these are glittered. Okay, you have that piece, you have the pink pinwheels, and then you have some florals. You have that floral, you have these tags and banners with sentiments on them. Here's another floral piece, another pink floral. You have the, I guess this is maybe a grapefruit, and then you have the lemon. I love the lemons. They're so cute. And more florals, more lemons. Adventure, summer adventures. This is just fun. Sunshine is the best medicine. That is so true. I love summertime. That is my favorite season. You know, because I like wearing sundresses and I like wearing shorts. And then you get these popsicles, which I absolutely love. So you get like the blue popsicle, the pink one, and they're like watercolored. And then you have the lemon and kiwi popsicle. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use these. I don't know yet what I'm going to create, but I absolutely had to pick this up when I saw it. You're my main squeeze. Love that. And then here's the typewriter. Then you have these banners that you can just string up. Another word there. Another sun-kissed. Oh, here's another grapefruit. And just buttons. You got 2 buttons here. Some more florals. And then this strip. So that is the ephemera. Fun. And then let me go ahead and just share with you the paper. And the papers don't have any cut aparts in them. They're just, and let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay. I think we can see that better, right? Oh. What did I do there? Okay. Let me see if I can remove some glare. There we go. Okay, so here's the papers. There's so much. Oh, I love the colors. So you get these scripts, just summer, you know, words. And then you get this, and everything is just kind of watercolor. Has like this watercolor background. Polka dots, pink polka dot. I mean, white polka dots on pink. Love that. This is really cute too. Lemons. Look at those lemons. Oh my gosh. And this is so pretty. I love this. It has all the colors. And then you have the typewriters. Look, the popsicles. So pretty. Oh my gosh. So Tara, if you have not seen this, my Bo Bunny buddy. Hey girl. This is just, oh my gosh. I know, I'm enabling. I'm sorry. It's just when I saw this collection, the pinwheels, look, I just had to get it. And then you have just this black and white or gray, the fruit slices. And then you have the fruit slices and florals. And then it just repeats. And then you get 3 sets. So you get 3 of each pattern. But isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I fell in love with this collection. I just absolutely love the colors. You know, it's just fun summer colors. And yeah, so if you guys like that, you might want to take a look and see if you want to pick it up. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.